Learn to run your business with Bean Counters courses. Okay, I'm typing it up now. And sent. Perfect.
Excellent, got it.
I can't find the financial statements.
Manage your cash and watch your business grow.
I think my business needs a loan.
I'm balancing the book.
Sales drive profit. Now be a good employee.
This paperwork drives me crazy!
Some business decisions are just no-brainers.
Learn how to stretch your dollars by managing your expenses.
I'm putting some aside for the rough times.